Do you have a process of thinking through your art painting before you start? Today I want to share some of mine. Hi everyone, I'm Vickie and welcome to my art channel. Choosing the perfect reference source to understanding color theory will cover 4 areas I think about before starting a painting. First and foremost, selecting the right reference source is crucial for a successful painting. You can use photographs, live models, or even other artworks as a reference. When choosing this reference, make sure it has clear details, good lighting, and accurately represents the subject's features. Remember, a high-quality reference will make your painting process go much smoother. Now let's talk about color theory. Understanding color relationship is essential for creating a harmonious and visually appealing portrait. Familiarize yourself with the color wheel. Learn about complements, analogous, triadic color schemes. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions when selecting colors for your portrait. Before we move on to the next tips, if you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on notifications. I so appreciate everyone who has subscribed at this time frame as I build out this art channel, and look so forward to speaking with y'all more about future art tutorials, really diving deep into details and answering any questions that you have. I so appreciate everyone. When painting a portrait, it's important to balance warm and cool colors. Warm colors like red, oranges, and yellows can bring a sense of energy and vibrancy to your painting. On the other hand, cool colors, blue, greens, purples, can create a calming and soothing effect. By skillfully combining warm and cool colors, you can achieve a sense of depth and dimension in your portrait. Another factor to consider is the transparency or opacity of your paint. Transparent paints allow light to pass through, creating a luminous effect, while opaque paints block light and create a solid, flat appearance. When painting a portrait, use transparent colors for the initial layers and build up more opaque colors as you progress. This technique will help you create a rich, layered effect in your painting. Lastly, it's essential to establish a focal point in your portrait. The focal point is the area where you want to draw the viewer's attention. In most cases, this will be the subject's eyes or face. To emphasize the focus point, use the highest highlights and most contrasting colors in that area. This will create a visual hierarchy and guide the viewer's eyes through the painting. As we move into painting the face and structuring the different features, we will use a lot of the tips that we talked about today. We're going to paint thin to thick, that shadow to the more highlighted areas of the face. We're going to use color theory. That's going to be using transparent colors in shadow areas to more opaque paints in the more highlighted areas. And then of course, once we have all those features defined, that's when we can put in those pop of colors to really give that focal point to the face itself. How fun was that? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.